Hello there YouTube. I was asked to make another tutorial on how to set up a Minecraft server easily. Now it's not that hard. I'm going to show you how to set up a server remotely. So all you have to do is download the Minecraft.exe file for your client and the Minecraft underscore server.jar file. Where you get these from is if you go onto the internet and type in minecraft.net, and you'll come to the Minecraft homepage. All you have to do is click the download button located down here. You will have to log in and buy Minecraft to be able to play online. But all you'll have to do is download for Windows, which should be located here, and also download for the server. Don't download the .exe file, because if you want to edit the server and put mods and all that on there, the exe file will be no good. You'll need to download the Minecraft underscore server.jar. So once you've downloaded them two files onto the desktop so you can find them easily, first of all, run your minecraft.exe and log in and make sure it's up to date, and it should load up like this. Then quit the game. Now what you'll need here is to make a Minecraft server run smoothly as a .jar file. You need to make a bin file. It's quite easily to do. All you've got to do is, first of all, right click, then new, then text document. We'll just name it start for now. Open it up and you'll have to put this text, wrong folder, you'll have to put this text, Minecraft server, edit. What you'll need to do is type Java -Xmx, make sure it's cap sensitive, so make sure you fill in all the capitals exactly like this. I'll post this in the description actually, just so you can copy and paste it. Then what you do is you go File, Save As, and remove .text at the end of there. Change the file save as type to all files and save it as a .bat and click save, and then close that off. Now that start.txt, you no longer need that, so delete that. Right, so you've got the files ready to start. Don't click the .bat yet. You need the Java runtime. So what we need to do is go onto the web, in Google, type in Java development kit. As you can see, the SE, you want version 6, which, yeah, the JDK 6. To get that, you go into Oracle and you view the downloads here. Now you might need both. but I download the JDK version and then scroll down to whichever Windows you are, either Windows that's 32-bit or Windows 64-bit. Make sure you accept the license, otherwise you cannot download them. So then you click the download, and you download and install the Java SE Development Kit 6. After you've installed Java Development Kit, then you will go back to your Minecraft folder and double click the start.bat file. As you can see, it's now preparing a new world for me. Right, now it's complete with no errors. The only warnings here is the ban list and the whitelist. That's not an issue at the moment. So what we do is we type in stop here to stop the server safely and save all the chunks. Now we have a ban list and a whitelist, so it's all okay now. If you only want certain people to go on the whitelist, to go on the server, just double click your whitelist and type in the names. So say if my name's YouTube man, and then press enter and type in man YouTube. Basically only them two people would be able to go onto the server, so we don't want that, obviously. Don't save. Right. Now, to make sure that it's working properly, we want to right click on server properties, open with, and open it with the notepad. You can click always if you like. Now you'll get this come up. The server port is this. You'll have to go to portforward.com to learn how to port forward from your router. But what you want to do here is put in your computer's IP address. Now, to find the computer's IP address, click on start, type in CMD, press enter, and in here type in netstat, and it should, there we go. As you can see, 192.168.1.73 is my IP address. So what we do is we copy that into here. So we go 192.168.1.73, and now that's linked to my computer as the server. There's a few settings here like PvP on, game mode 0, which is survival. If you press 1, if you set that to 1, it'll be creative mode. Maximum players, spawn monsters, and all that thing. You can change all the settings here. Never change the level name to from world unless you have another land. As you can see, it says world here. That's the whole world in there. So if I change this to something like Fizzies, it'll make a new world called Fizzies, so you'll have a bunch of worlds that you can keep switching to. Now we've set that up, we save the file. Ops, this is for your admins. So what we do is you just put your player's name in there, and obviously press enter each line per player, then close that off and save it. now we should be able to click start.bat and it will prepare our world with absolutely no errors. Nope, no warnings, nothing. Now this system can't keep up with your system change. Don't worry about that. I'm happy that that's come up. It's a little glitch that's in Minecraft, and it doesn't make no difference at all. You can't change it, not yet. So now we start the server. We've got to minimize this and also minimize the CMD that came up, and then double click our Minecraft, log in, and multiplayer, direct connect, and type in our IP address, which is 192.168.1.73. Press enter, and there we go. We're logged on to our Minecraft server. Now it was pretty simple. To be able to get people to access it, you need to know what your IP address is remotely. Now obviously this changes time to time. Now I do have a video on how to use noip.org, which will change your IP address to a URL, so you can type in a URL instead and connect to the server. But what you've got to do is, for your friends to be able to visit, all you have to do is go to the website called, well, Google now does it. Just type into Google, what's my IP address, and you'll get an IP address come up. And all you have to do is literally give that to your friends, and they can connect to your server. Now that will change. Some people have static, which means it won't change, but a lot of people will. So all you have to do is keep giving them the new one, or watch my tutorial. The link is going to be about here, on how to set up log me in on an IIS server. Don't worry about the IIS server bit. It's pretty much the same, but if you want me to make a new tutorial on how to set it up, I don't mind doing that. But I think that's it. You've literally been able to connect to your Minecraft server and made it remotely. Just make sure that you've obviously unblock using firewall on this port number, which would be 25564. So to do that, what you do is go to Start, Control Panel, System and Security, Firewall, Advanced Settings, and you should get this come up. Click Inbound Rule, click Add New Rule, Port Number, and then Next. Now you want it TCP, specific port, which would be a port number, don't have it up there, which would be 25565, and we just paste that into this location here. Then click Next, allow the connection, private, actually no, pull it on public and domain, next, and we'll call it Minecraft, and then click Finish. Then you'll go back to Windows Firewall and go on to Outbound, add new rule, port number, next, and again same port number, and next. It says block at the moment. Let's change that to allow, and keep them all ticked, and call it Minecraft. Right, now close that off, and that, and now people will be able to connect, so long you've port forwarded correctly, using your router. Everyone's router is different, so I can't really help you on that. But if you go to the website called portforward.com, and they've literally got a router list. Literally just scroll down and find your router. Or you can obviously press Control and F and use the search box. That works in Internet Explorer as well. And just follow the steps for port forwarding. It's pretty that simple. Okay, thanks YouTube. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and obviously rate and subscribe my videos, and comment. Thank you very much, and see you in the next video.